is HANBS company. I'm Solia. I'd like to introduce a special place that is finishing production line, which mainly consists part and electric spindle. This workshop can assemble up to 200 electric spindle. The dynamic balancing, running, accuracy testing of our spindle are all completed here to strictly ensure the accuracy of our date. We provide assembly standard and demonstrate diagrams for each assemble step, and we treat every line carefully. Due to the limited time, if you are interested in our company, please follow our account. We will see you next time.